Look what I just got in the mail today. May 26th it was, yeah. Today's May 26th, Saturday. I will unbox the special Nintendo 3DS limited edition Peach for you. You were able to win this 3DS in Japan and in Europe by entering two 3DS games on Club Nintendo. They only made 1,000 of the Peach design, 1,000 of the Toad design, and 1,000 of the Mario design. So you were able to win 3,000 3DS, but only 1,000 of each design. So I entered the Peach 3DS design, and I won. I personally like the Peach one the most, since Peach is my favorite character after Luigi, but they didn't have a Luigi design. So I think I will unbox it and show you the package and everything. Shitty camera. So now I'll start with the unboxing. Yeah. First, all the manual and stuff, but it won't open it. Just take it out. And here it is. Okay, good. It didn't get any scratch or any damage. Now I will open it. So that is how the limited 3DS Peach design looks like. I think it looks totally cool. I really like it. I'm really lucky that I won it. So that made my day. My sister came in and was like, "Stetson, wake up!" And I was like, "Whoa, why are you waking me?" And I saw that package and I thought maybe it's my 3DS, and it was my 3DS, so I was actually quite happy. Yeah.